Okay, so I was going to just work with that one tomato. I was just going to work with that one tomato vine, but I think I'm gonna do one more. This was the very first tomato plant we planted this season, and it grew really well. Had yielded a lot of fruit. Here's a lot of green ones on it now. A lot of them won't be great though. If you look at that, that's definitely not great. I'll keep it for picture's sake. And take this out of there. See what all we can get from here. Okay. That might be good. That's not good. Got the bamboo. That's cool. This is our fruit. The fruit of our labor. Again, this was the first plant we planted. This was the biggest one for a while, and then the other ones just shot up. Right next to it is a cherry tomato plant, I believe. I'm not going to keep that. I just don't like when those, it's all that little watery juice in there. There's actually more in here, but I knocked them down. Just going to pull this out. There's a tomato root ball. You see that? Cool. So there you go, guys. That's what's been yielding all of this fruit. We love it. And just gonna lay this down and see what I can find on the ground that I'll probably knock down. Next year, we're going to do it a lot better. As far as the length or how far they are apart, because they said 2 to 3 feet and I didn't do it. You know, some places said 2 to 3 feet. I didn't make that happen. Should have made it happen. A lot of cherry tomatoes on the ground that probably would have been great if we just was able to come out here every day, pick up stuff. We put a lot of hours in, but some days are crucial, more crucial than others. Some are just gonna stay there. But look at all those. I don't know if you can see those, but a lot on the ground there. And some tomatoes just didn't make it because of bugs and stuff like that. Let you get a little close, and I think that's all we're gonna find in there. But look at those cherry tomatoes. Still a few on. Look at those cherry tomatoes. There's still a few on the vine, but you know, those are on the ground. Not gonna mess with them. Look at that. Let's see if that's good. Nah, not really. I'll put it up here because you know me, I rarely like throwing anything away, but that looks pretty good. But it's definitely not ripe. Sit there. Sit that there and let them ripen. We'll work on these next. So we had about I think 8 plants all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 9 or 10 plants all together, and I'll come and take the rest out at some point before it starts to get really, really cold. Okay, guys, here we go.